Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, Francois, and this is my lifestyle YouTube channel. I talk about everything from style, lifestyle, travel, and more. I am partnering up with my friend Aisha today. Aisha, I have known her for about 6 or 7 years now. When I worked in the fashion industry, she worked on the PR side, and she is just one of my go-to people for self-care and stuff like that, and I'm all about self-care as well. So what better thing to have in common with another friend? Aisha has a great YouTube channel that I think you should check out, and she also has a little clip here that I'm going to insert for this video.
Woo! So it has definitely been a day, girl, but I just wanted to send you a little video message really quickly and let you know that your challenge is accepted. Nutmeg. All right. So I have something in mind, and I hope that it's something that I guess meets the challenge. I feel like Friendsgiving entails a lot of different elements, so yeah, I'm not gonna give too much away, but just you wait and see what I have in store, and I can't wait to see what you are gonna do with the jerk. Girl, you better not do us wrong. All right, let's go.
As you may or may not know, my family's from Grenada, which is the island of spice, the nutmeg spice, and Aisha's from Jamaica, which is the island of jerk. So we have challenged each other to cook with each other's spices to make a dish for Friendsgiving. So this is not your typical Friendsgiving setting, obviously, but we're just challenging each other to, do something fun and just stay connected. So today I'm going to make jerk shrimp, and I'm going to put it in a salad because it's super quick, super easy to make, and I would love to have made a jerk chicken or something like that, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to make a super simple jerk shrimp recipe with some leftover pineapple that I have in the fridge that I don't want to spoil, all about making sure I use everything that I buy. And I'm going to show you how I use that in a salad as well, because I love salads. Jerk shrimp can be eaten over rice, it can be eaten with many different things, but for the sake of this video right now, I'm just going to make a quick salad because I am really hungry right now, and I'm going to eat it right after. So let's go to it. So first things first, I have some shrimp here that is already washed and dry, pat dry. Make sure to pat dry your shrimp. And then I'm going to add some olive oil. And then I'm going to add my jerk seasoning. I'm using Glaze jerk seasoning for this video. You can make your own jerk seasoning from scratch, but if you want to just grab a jerk seasoning from the grocery store, you can just use Glaze jerk seasoning. So I'm going to add a bit of jerk seasoning to my shrimp, and I'm going to let it sit and marinate for about half an hour. Then I'm going to make a glaze for my pineapple. So I have some pineapple here that's already cut up. Typically when you want to grill pineapple, you want to have it in bigger slices, but because I already chopped this up, this is why they're so small. I'm going to add some brown sugar and some cinnamon into a bowl and mix it together. And then I'm going to add some melted butter as well. Now I'm going to add the brown sugar and the cinnamon along with the melted butter into a bowl with the pineapple and mix it all together. So I'm going to wait for my cast iron to get really hot, and I'm going to add some olive oil into it. If you're using a cast iron at home, you can get one of these handles as well so that you don't have to burn your hand when you're using the pot. And now I'm just going to add my shrimp. While my shrimp is cooking, I'm just going to shake up this pineapple in the glaze that I made, just so that it's fully coated. And now I'm just going to flip my shrimp over so that the other side can cook. Now I'm going to grill my pineapple. So I shook this up so now it's all coated with the glaze. I'm just going to turn this fire on. And you can add a little bit more butter to the pot as well if you want. I'm going to use this brush so that the butter can go all over the cast iron. Need to use that much butter, but and now I'm just going to add my pineapple. Now you can grill your pineapple until it gets the grill marks on here. This is what I wanted to achieve, so I'm happy that it has these beautiful, beautiful grill marks on my pineapple. My fire is off at the moment, and I just flipped it over and waiting for the other side to get just a little bit of the marks on there. So now I have my greens and my tomatoes. I have spinach here, and I just chopped up some tomatoes. You've probably seen this bowl before because it was in my last salad video, and I got it from Home Goods, and it's one of my favorite bowls this season. So for the dressing, there's a lot of flavors happening here already with the pineapple and with the shrimp. So I'm just going to use juice of half a lime and the leftover marinade from my pineapple. Don't want to make more dishes, so I'm just going to use this brush to just mix it up. The shrimp is looking really good. I just let it sit here while I worked on the pineapple, and now I'm going to add it to my salad. Now I'm going to add my pineapple. Then I'm just going to drizzle this dressing over my salad. And that's it. And that is it, a super simple jerk shrimp salad that you can make with pineapple. You can make it for Friendsgiving if you plan to bring a small side dish over, or you can just have it for lunch. It's super quick and easy to make, and your girl is hungry right now. I'm about to eat this, but make sure you check out Aisha's video to see what she made with her nutmeg spice. Oh.